Hello, good day. My name is Roy Mansell. Today we're going to demonstrate the American table setup. The first is base plate, dinner knife and a spoon, dinner fork and salad fork, the goblet, cup with underlining plate, dessert spoon and dessert fork, bread and butter plate and bread and butter knife, cream and sugar container, salt and pepper shaker. So this is my demonstration, the American table setup.